Website is one of the popular topics in the technology trends today. Everyone just loves to prepare website without doing any coding so that it becomes very easy. I'm going to teach you how to create website for free without any coding language. This is Amit from Mentoring Entrepreneurs and Technocrats, and in this video we are going to learn how to create website for free without doing any further efforts. So when you are learning how to create website, you need to learn as a beginner, and you need to learn with the free website hosting and free domain option. And then gradually when you become a pro, you can go for a paid option like SiteGround, HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost, A1 Host and many more. So while you start with the free options, there are list of website builders available in today's market. Day by day, new website builders are coming. But it's very difficult to cover all the website builder in the same video. So I will be covering only the popular ones which is easy to use for you. One of them is the Wix. Wix is the most popular website builder which gives you convenience to create website in a matter of minutes. All you need to do is just sign up with your email and name, just activate it and just start using the web builder with the multiple options like changing styles, adding contents, adding videos, adding images, many more. Similar to Wix, there are other website builders like Weebly, 123 Site, Webnode, WordPress.com, Blogger, which is a Google service, and Strikingly. And there are many more, as I said, but we are just covering up the popular ones. Similar to Wix, when you sign up, they will ask you the category of the business or the industry of the business, like you have multiple choice like beauty industry, tourism industry, e-commerce industry, marketing agency or a manufacturing agency. So these are the various categories. Accordingly, they will suggest you the templates or a design which you can choose from the hundreds and thousands of designs for free, and then you are always free to customize and change the colors, font, styles, data, content, paragraph, headings and much more. You can always create new pages, you can always create new post, content using the website builder. So this was the convenience of using the website builder, but every option brings advantages and disadvantages. So we already covered the advantages. The disadvantages of using website builder is subdomain. Doesn't give you free option to choose your own domain name. So if it's wix.com, if you are covering the website name as ABC, what it will create is abc.wix.com or xyz.wix.com. So Wix will stay in the main domain name because they are giving you a free option. That doesn't mean that you cannot go for the independent or a customized name of domain. If you enter the paid options or a paid packages of this website builder, they always give you an option to choose your own domain and the configuration of the hosting, and you can become a pro and create website for your clients. So that was one of the drawback or disadvantage. The next one is the SEO option. It's not 100% good for SEO when you are trying to build the website in Wix and all in a free option because of the non-Google friendly URL which it will be covering. Because if the name of the business of the website is ABC company, you know the domain name will be like subdomain and then domain like abccompany.wix.com, which Google might not consider as 100% best option. So if you are targeting the Google and search engine friendly option, you can always choose the paid option. But again, as I tell you, that is for a pro who are going for creating the website for the client. But if you are creating website just to learn, you can always try out these free options. And if you can create your own blog, you can create your online store, you can create your agency website, your CV, your resume website, your portfolio website, website for representing your quotes, motivational website, much more using this website builder. In the next video, we will be seeing how to create website in HTML, how to create website using WordPress CMS, how to create website in Magento, how to create website in Shopify and many more. These all areas of the learning will be covered in Website Mentor class. So remember, do not forget #website mentor class to get in touch with all these technical videos about learning website in different technologies. If you have any questions for me, do not forget to leave your questions or concern in the comment. I will be happy to get back to you via comments. And never forget to subscribe my channel or like this video, so that when I post any new video about technology or online learning, you will always get the notification. See you in the videos. Bye.